Here's the 72 Chevy idling.
You gotta wait.
Sounds good, Connor.
Thank you.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you very much.